she left us with so much and so many teachings which I'll carry on in my life, so many moral values which will stay with me, and a strength. I was from some other school and they used to be standing outside eve teasing, so I've slapped that time when I was in school. Maybe I was in 8th or 9th standard,
and then
they
you
were
ran
saying
away.
some bad language, so I went ahead. I just ran after them and I was very angry.
But then you waited कि मारने के बाद, or you ran away after slapping him?
No, they ran away. Either I'm on the set or I'm at home. I don't like socializing much, so I like to balance my life like that. अगर मैं रोज ही ready होकर बाहर जा रही होंगी तो my life will go for a toss. I don't much enjoy the promotional phase, sorry to say. I'm sorry, I'm being honest.
जिनका कमाल का है हौसला, मेरे साथ है दिव्या खोसला. आई एम Siazi welcoming you to Filming Gan. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
You're not. You're so tired at the same time. But welcoming you to the podcast of Filming Gan, where we'll be talking deeply about you, yourself, and the style that you have. At the same time, I love one thing about you. You're very particular about things. Like अभी पीछे जो scene थे, you were like, अच्छा ये shot है, ऐसा है, वैसा है. So tell me, how do you define Divya yourself? What's the definition of Divya?
So I am a perfectionist and I'm constantly chasing excellence. That's what I am. I'm very self-motivated kind of a person. I'm a person who's always will give, you always, stick to righteousness and always fight for righteousness. So, yeah.
At the same time, I don't know if I should be saying this or not, but I will, because that's my heart. You give me so Bhagyashree ma'am wali vibes nowadays.
Yeah.
I'm loving that. So how do you see this compliment coming to you?
Wow, I really like it because she's, I think when you look at her, you look at that sweetness and that cuteness, vulnerability, that innocence. So, yeah. That's a very good compliment.
Yeah, that's the question. How did you manage your calmness in this world full of fake people? Because of course, there are times when हमारी चीज़ें हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होता. As you mentioned, you love to be perfect. आपको सारी चीज़ें on point चाहिए, है ना, इस तरीके से होनी चाहिए. But जब नहीं होती तो हमें गुस्सा भी आता है. How do you control your anger? What's your way of managing that? Because when you will be telling this to me, a lot of people sitting at home will be inspired.
There's a great lesson that I learned while being on the set of Savi. हमारे set पर, और ये पहला ऐसा set है जहाँ मैंने ये experience की बात. हमारे set पे code था कि we couldn't, no one could get rude with anyone, nobody could shout at anyone, everybody had to be respectful, and this was Bhatt sir's code. And I was like, wow, मतलब कभी-कभी कुछ ना कुछ word निकल आता है, गलती से ही निकल आता है, but this is, humans को हमेशा value करनी चाहिए और humans को मतलब वो देना चाहिए, because humans से ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है. Humanity is a main thing. So I was so impressed, and so this was a learning lesson for me also, that this is what we should follow on all the sets, because कई बार चीख चिल्लाहट होती है, चिकम चिल्ली होती है, which is not good. इसलिए हमारे set पे everybody was so positive. All the technicians, everybody was giving their 1,000%. Each person from any department. So वो सब इतने ज़्यादा फिल्म के प्रति थे. So I think that is a great lesson which I learned. Yeah.
But at the same time, what I feel is that the kindness that you've got in yourself has also come from home, because you have a lovely kid, right? You have a dog as well at home. So I want to know what kind of a mother you are yourself is. बिकॉज आपकी खुद की मम्मा शायद स्ट्रिक्ट रही होंगी, है ना, हमारी सबकी होती है, मार पड़ी होती है, इन तमाम चीज़ें, बट आप खुद कैसी मम्मा है? आप द वॉरियरनेस, द फील दैट आई कैन सी इन द पोस्टर एंड ट्रेलर, आई बिलीव दैट्स देयर इन योर zeal as well.
No, as a mother to my kid, I'm like his best friend. And I share everything to him, talk to him everything, and right from the time he's born, I've always treated him as if he's an adult. I've always talked to him like he's 18 years of age. मैंने कभी उसको ऐसा ट्रीट नहीं कराया कि ये तो बच्चा है, ऐसे कुछ मालूम नहीं. उसकी बातें मैंने सुनी है. Like sometimes his suggestions are important. I follow them. So I always give him that darja कि you are big and you can put forward your point of view, and it's not that I am always going to be right. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं mother हूँ या मैं bigger one हूँ in the relation, so I am only right or you have to follow me और या तो एक ये. I don't believe in that at all. I believe that he, as a kid, he must be having a point of view according to his age, and I like to hear that, see that, and if I feel that is correct, I would definitely change my own point of view for him.
Yeah. At the same time, again, you're a Wonder Woman, right? You have family.
Wonder Woman?
Of course. No?
I don't have wings.
You have. I'm telling you, have.
Invisible
Right?
wings. Okay.
I was about to mention the brand name, but I controlled my tongue. But the reason I'm saying this because you are a mother, you're a wife, you are a producer, you're an actor, you're everywhere, right? So how do you manage this all and still look beautiful? Tell me that.
See, I think my life is mostly restricted to my set and my home. I'm not the kind of person who's making an appearance every day, who's going to every single event to show up. Yeah, so I try to, कई बार मैं 2-2 महीने गायब हो जाती हूँ, मतलब I don't come in front, you know. तो either I'm on the set or I'm at home. I don't like socializing much. So I like to balance my life like that. अगर मैं रोज ही रेडी होकर बाहर जा रही होंगी तो my life will go for a toss. Yeah.
But do you like makeup and all, like getting ready?
Actually,
or
I
at home,
don't-
you are like very pajama girl. I'll be like,
No, I don't like makeup. जब मैं बाहर भी जाती हूँ, even airports and all, I don't put any makeup. And I'm not, I don't have, in fact, you'll be shocked, but I don't have a single eyeshadow, blush on or a lip balm. I don't have it.
at home.
At home,
Yeah.
I don't buy makeup. I don't have a makeup kit. I don't have any of these.
That's extra. You just given to me. It's a big headline.
Yeah. Nobody would, believe that. But आप देखोगे भी कभी मेरी कोई ऐसा normal photo आएगी तो I never do makeup. I'm like the most. I'm not fond of makeup. I don't like. There are people who love makeup, so it's a very individual thing. I'm not fond
That's the
of
least
makeup.
thing you'll be interested in.
Personally.
Do you know cooking? Do you cook?
No, I don't cook.
Huh? But one thing, if you will be like given a chance to learn, what you'll be learning in cooking?
What
Maybe
I
something
do-
that your son would be fond of.
Yeah, I think we'll bake a cake for him. I've done that before, so maybe that. Yeah.
But you don't enjoy cooking. Like, have you tried?
No, I don't. In fact, I've stayed in Bombay on my own. When I shifted to Bombay, so I
Yeah.
was staying on my own. और वो मैंने 2 साल I was staying on my own and I never cooked. मेरे घर पूरा रेस्टोरेंट्स के डब्बों से भरा हुआ था.
And you've completely changed now. You don't eat outside at all.
Now I don't eat outside.
How?
तब भी मैं normal दही इडली मंगाती थी. I used to eat simple food, not ऐसा
Aloo paratha, no.
वो सब no. But now तो I eat only घर का खाना. I don't eat बाहर का.
Tell me, what do you all eat? Because of course, you look beautiful. You manage this much work. What's your diet like? कौन सी घर की
So
चीजें?
I love South Indian. So for breakfast, I love like eating a South Indian, and I'm like a person who likes to eat breakfast. So I'm, and I think also it's important because नहीं तो you'll feel fatigued if you if nutrition is very important. I'm not a person who diets. It doesn't work with me because I think अगर आप diet करोगे तो it will start reflecting in your hair, your skin, and your whole body. You'll feel tired, fatigued. So I think I eat. I start my day maybe sometimes. Sometimes I do love to have a juice also, like a fruit juice, maybe a watermelon juice or a spinach cucumber because it's very hot these days.
Yeah.
And I love coconut water. These are things which I have in between meals. But breakfast mein I like to have something like a chila, dal ka chila, ya oats ka chila, ya like something South Indian like a.
Nothing like
डोसा.
paratha and all. Aloo paratha you don't
आज
like.
मैंने पराठा खाया था. कभी कभी पराठे भी खाती हूँ. आज खाया था मैंने पराठा.
With no ghee or with ghee?
No, I put ghee. I
Ah,
put
that's a must.
I don't stay.
I being Punjabi declare it should be must.
Yeah,
If you're
yeah.
having paratha, just put ghee and have it.
Yes, I do. And then I have normal lunch, dal, sabji, roti, and chawal, dahi. And dinner also is this, dal, sabji, roti, chawal, dahi. So I eat proper ghar ka Indian food.
The whole proper Indian girl.
Yeah, I take care of my diet.
It's important, I believe, because
It's
nowadays
important.
a lot of junk food which we eat outside is too much and really spoils our body
Yeah.
internally.
Yes.
At the same time, do you love traveling, or you are somebody who will be staying at home and like?
No, I love traveling. Especially I love the mountains.
Huh?
So when I'm shooting in the
I
mountains,
hate
it's... You hate mountains?
मेरे को सांस ही नहीं आता ऊपर जाते जाते. I have a problem. I feel like मेरे को सांस नहीं आ रही. So I prefer beaches and Goa and all that.
Yeah, I'm a mountain girl. I'm a mountain person and I love shooting.
Hence,
in
you
the
have a
cold.
good skin. people who loves ठंडी चीजें, you know, they go to mountains, गोरे ही होते हैं इंसान. मैं जैसे love beaches and all, I'll get tanning and all. It will be difficult.
For this film Savi we shot for 45 days in -6 degrees. जब आप पिक्चर देखोगे आपको ठंड लगेगी. And I was very happy because मुझे ठंड बहुत पसंद है. मैं ठंड में मुझे काम करा लो. और बाद में कुछ स्केड्यूल बॉम्बे में हुआ तो वो सारे सर्दी के कपड़े, दैट जैकेट, दैट स्वेटर, दोस जीन्स, बूट, इतनी गर्मी में, मतलब मुझे यहाँ बॉम्बे की गर्मी में वो कपड़े पहन के शूट करना पड़ा. वो मुश्किल था. But mountains.
What do you eat in mountains? Have you tried Maggie's and all? Because that is quite popular.
Yeah, I've tried Maggie's.
And you don't eat outside.
No, very कभी कभी खाती हूँ ना मोमोज. एक ही कभी माउंटेन जाओ तो मोमोज और मैगी तो खा लो. रोज नहीं. Once in a blue moon.
How did you manage? I to feel whenever I'm from Ambala, Chandigarh. So अगर मैं गलती से सर्दी के मौसम में जाता हूँ तो too much कपड़ास we have to put, right? And then when you wear a lot of heavy clothes, then you can't move your hand and all. But you manage to do acting.
So I have this.
You got my point. Tell me, how did you manage?
Yeah, so even those clothes weigh me down. So मेरी personal life में मेरे पास एक मैंने ऐसा जैकेट ढूंढी जो इतनी लाइट वेट है, जो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे शोल्डर्स पे स्ट्रेन नहीं करती, and it's this long and it's very warm, like it's very पतला. You can fold it and make it this small, but वो बड़ी हो जाती है and वो पूरा warm रखती है. So I think that's my go-to jacket जो कि मैंने ढूंढी. And because even I
Please
hate
share
those,
me. I'll love to have that.
Yeah, it's a very, I think, normal brand. मैं check करके बताती हूँ exactly, but मुझे कहीं से मिली थी वो easily. I don't know.
You yourself got it or your team?
No. I got it. I found it somewhere when I was traveling.
Yeah, you have to be perfect, no?
Yeah.
Yourself, like I don't wanna wait for the team. I myself will do such work.
But film में जब होता है और आप वो कपड़े पहनते हो तो फिर shorts के बीच में, you know, you remove the jacket, sweater में you are there. Yeah, that is, you're in character.
How did you find fashion? Because you are a simple girl, you don't believe in a lot of, you know, glamour things. You love to keep yourself simple. So how do you like choose your clothing whenever you're out or whatever?
So I always have my inputs. Of course, when I'm dressing up for a certain event or something, then of course I dress up properly. But at the same time, I make sure that, you know, it's not that nobody can make me wear something which I don't want to wear. You know, कई बार stylists are adamant, but I don't listen to anyone. I give my suggestions and I tell them that this is what I want to wear. I give a lot of suggestions. Sometimes I send a lot of references. So I like to put my thoughts across.
And colors? You go to colors, huh?
It depends. It keeps changing. Sometimes, sometimes I like bright. Sometimes I like pastel palette. Sometimes I like earthy shades. So that really depends.
Nowadays I'm going mad on pinky every shade. I've got a wardrobe full of pink.
Yeah.
So the people were telling me
I love browns.
You love browns?
I love browns. Like today I'm wearing pink because my stylist got this, and obviously it was for screen, तो मुझे लगा pink थोड़ा अच्छा bright लगेगा, complement my skin tone, but otherwise I love browns. I feel like picking up all shades of browns. मुझे इतना प्यार हो गया brown से recently. Like.
But Savi is all about that normal घर की wife which changes to another level and, you know, give that back. तो वो मुझे जानना है how that things जो अभी compliments मिल रहे हैं, feedback आ रहा है, I know you're overwhelmed, I can see that. People were coming and telling me as well, you know what, this is that, ये वो. So tell me, how many butterflies you have got in your stomach right now?
You know, release time is never easy and it's always a difficult phase, stressful phase, because picture release पे होती है. There's so much workload, there's so many things going on, so many things, but I'm very happy because at the end of the day आप काम कर सकते हो, you know, बाकी success failure ऊपर वाले के हाथ में. But I'm happy, thankful कि जो हमने film बनाई है, everybody is very curious about it कि कैसे ये normal vulnerable सी housewife, कैसे ये इंग्लैंड की सबसे खतरनाक जेल ब्रेक करेगी, इतने कैमराज, इतने CCTVs, इतने आर्म्ड गार्ड्स के बीच में. एंड हमारी पिक्चर जो है, इट्स अ थ्रिलर मूवी, सो इट्स एज ऑफ द सी थ्रिलर, एंड यू विल आल्सो, इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्ट्री विल अनरावल, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल ओपन अप. सो
But have you ever slapped somebody like as a real may before you became this big and, you know, successful woman?
No, I'm not violent.
Never ever?
No, I don't remember. I remember once in Delhi, when I was in school, that time there used to be these rowdy boys who were not from our school, who was from some other school, and they used to be standing outside eve teasing. So I've slapped that time when I was in school. Maybe I was in 8th or 9th standard.
And then
they
you
were
ran
saying
away.
some bad language, so I went ahead. I just ran after them, and I was very angry.
But then you waited कि मारने के बाद or you ran away after slapping him?
No, they ran away.
अच्छा वही भाग
They
गए.
ran away. Yeah, I didn't have to run away.
The Savi was there inside you before, back then, तब से अभी तक, no? Okay, क्योंकि cinema is also changing. I've been saying this because it's a fact that big films in theaters are not doing well, whereas OTT पे जब वो release हो रही हैं, they're getting good response. It happened with Lapata Ladies. It happened with another film at the same time. So वो मुझे जानना है, how excited are you for this one? Are you also feeling that pressure कि यार theaters में चीज़ें सच में कम हो रही है? Of course, you are somebody who discuss all this before doing a project or while doing it and while promoting at the same time. So what are your thoughts on that?
See, OTT, of course, audience is seeking, but I think some films like उनका मजा ही theater में है, and I think it keeps changing. You know, कभी का जैसे एक time था TV इतना big था, अभी OTT is big. So I think audience tastes keep evolving, keep changing. Our work is to keep trying to give out good content, and during promotional time, like I said, of course it's a stressful phase for me. Like I'm a creative person, you know, so I like working on the set and going back home. I don't much enjoy the promotional phase, sorry to say. I'm sorry, I'm being honest. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी एक पिक्चर हिट हो जाए कि मुझे प्रमोशंस ना करनी पड़े आगे से 1 या 2 दिन.
ये वेरी बैड ना, you cannot say that कि मैं हिट हो जाए फिर मैं प्रमोशन नहीं करेगी. Very bad, you should not say that.
Sorry.
Yeah, we want to meet you, no? We love to meet you again and again. कहाँ मिलती है अच्छी personalities? Fake लोग मिलते हैं हमें तो.
Sorry. So yeah, but that is how I am, you know. मुझे ऐसा.
But you are having that plan, ना? कि एक पिक्चर हिट हो जाए अच्छे से, you'll not give interviews or what?
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि फिर मैं प्रमोशंस दे. वैसे भी मैं ज्यादा कहाँ, मतलब नॉर्मल लाइफ में मैं नहीं देती. I'm not the kind of person.
I'm Adi from Filmy, remember me. हाँ.
Yes, I will.
बाकी I don't know, you please keep calling me. वो होते हैं जिनके 5 इंटरव्यू उसमें रखवा देना मेरा नाम.
So yeah, but theaters की आपने जो बात की वो obviously shift आया, and that's like a scary shift. So that's why you just try कि आप हम कोशिश ही कर सकते हैं अपनी तरफ से. अभी जो हमने पिक्चर बनाई है सावी, I'm thankful कि to the audience also and to everyone कि इतना अच्छा response आ रहा है. Everybody is coming up to me and saying कि we want to see this film, and everyone is eager, and the trailer leaves you on a cliffhanger कि how will this woman do it. So it's gonna be a thrilling ride in the theater. और जो हमने पिक्चर दिखाई भी है एग्जिबिटर्स वगैरह को, हमें बहुत अच्छा लाइक इंटरनेशनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ने देखी. सो वी गॉट अ वेरी फैबुलस रिस्पॉन्स दैट यू नो. सो वी आर टच वुड क्वाइट एक्साइटेड.
एट द सेम टाइम सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट चाहे पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स को या इस वाले को भी क्या मिला है, इनके किससे मिला है, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. आई वांट टू नो दैट समथिंग व्हिच यू डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि अरे यहाँ से तो मैंने नहीं सोचा तारीफ आएगी, बट आ गई. ओह वाओ.
So I think for me the most important compliment is is always what my parents feel about me. So you know, my father, he is never, मतलब ज़्यादा कभी नहीं बोलते, कभी दिखाते तो बोलते अच्छा है, इट्स गुड, अच्छा है, दैट मच ओनली. बट अभी जब उन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा तो उन्होंने बोला इट्स मतलब एक्सेलेंट. तो दिस वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी. एंड my father was very reluctant when I started out in my teen years and got into in the industry, but now my parents have so much pride in their eyes for me, so I feel very happy and satisfied with the way I've conducted myself. And you know, they are happy that they let me go out and chase my dream, because at the end of the day that's all that matters.
But they must have changed a lot now, na?
You
must have made them
times.
a celeb father and mother now at the same time, because of course how they've changed in the nature too as well. Have they?
No, parents are always the same.
Have they become a bit demanding from the last time, like when you were in your teenage and then to this?
No.
Not demanding, ऐसा कि यार अब तो तू actress है, I can do this, I'll lead this.
Me like this. No.
But I've heard this because of course I'm very young. Parents when they get old they become kid. है ना? So tell me that, do you feel that shift as well? So now because you are the responsible person, you have to keep a check on our parents, है ना? देखना पड़ता है क्या नहीं, what they are doing, are they eating well, सब सही है and all that. Tell me what kind of relationship you're sharing with your parents now in that zone.
So I lost my mother last year, and it was a very it is always it's going to be always difficult, and it's never going to be easy because she was my emotional strength. So I do keep calling my father every day, checking on him that he should be fine, so that he shouldn't feel that, because of course they were staying together in Delhi. But I think she left us with so much and so many teachings which I'll carry on in my life, so many moral values which will stay with me, and a strength.
I wish wherever she is a proud mama there. She knows that you're rocking in industry, and she will be sending the love, Ashirwad from there. And you are a girl who has made apna khud ka rasta and have come to this long way. I really send you a lot of love on that.
You.
I know it's difficult to be somebody who has been, someone जिसने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, और फिर इतना करना कि लोगों के मुंह पे चमाटा और तमाचा साथ साथ, है ना? So thank you so much for doing this, Divya. I love talking to you. I can't tell you. It's just lovely and emotional at the same time. May God bless you with everything, and you get everything.
Too. God bless you with everything your heart desires.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, this is Divya Khosla and you're watching me on Filmy Gyan with Adi.
Thank you. मेरे साथ क्या हो सकता है?